To change album cover on the Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app. Long tap the album you like to change its cover. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the bottom right. And then tap change cover image. By default, all album will use the recent photo as the cover. To change the album cover, select the desired photo you like to use as the cover. If needed, you can adjust the area of the selected photo that you want to use as the cover. Or you can move the selected area to use another area of the photo as the cover. Tap Apply. You can see that the selected photo has been set as the cover of the selected album. As a note, you cannot change the cover of the virtual albums or recent and favorite album. These two albums will always use the recent photo as its cover. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.